Fizzy Pop. Hello and welcome. Today we are gonna draw and color Shopkins Ice Cream Cake. So let's get started with the bottom of the cake. We're gonna draw the feet and the other one. Now we're gonna draw the two little arms. Now we're drawing two big round eyes. We're gonna draw some eyelashes for the eyes and then a little nose and a smiley mouth. I'm gonna make the eyebrows and the face is done. Now I'm gonna draw the icing on top. Now I'm gonna make a big curve for the ice cream. Next I'm gonna draw the ice cream cone. Now I'm adding crisscross patterns on the ice cream cone. Next, I'm gonna draw some sprinkles on top of the ice cream. I'm drawing some more sprinkles on the cake ice cream as well. Now I am using a thick marker to outline this drawing. Now it's time to color. I am using pencil colors for this drawing. Starting with the pink for the cake. I'm going to use the pink color only for the bottom part of the cake. Now I'm going to use a minty green for the rest of the cake. Using the same green color for the icing and the ice cream. Now I'm gonna use the pink again for the sprinkles. For the ice cream sprinkles, I'm gonna use lots of different colors to make it colorful. For the cone, I'm gonna use a light yellow. Finally, let's color her eyeballs blue. And her mouth dark pink.
Wow!
If you enjoyed this coloring video, please do like and subscribe.